Hello viewers, here is a vintage Spartus Woodgrain alarm clock, model 1102. And after doing a bit of research online to find out when this was made, I discovered the model 1102-61 is far more common, and this doesn't seem to have any documentation or eBay listings or anything. So I don't know exactly when this is from, but especially since the plug is not the modern, or the newest at least, shape, I would say this is at least from the late 80s, if not earlier. I picked this up at the thrift store today, and in fact, all the tags of this color were half off, so this was just over $1.50. It's got a decently long cord, about 6 feet long, but it may not actually reach over to my testing power strip. Okay. So there it is. You may not be able to see it very well, but it just defaulted to saying 12 o'clock and flashing. So let me see if I can set the time, which is currently 2:47. And it has a PM indicator. And this actually is going to take a long time. Honestly, this clock is in pretty good shape. Some of the edges are a slight bit beaten up, but honestly, it looks really good, and the cord isn't even damaged or anything. So especially for how old this is, I'd say this is in quite good condition. And I really like the wood grain even on the sides. It's got this brushed aluminum on the bottom. And this whole piece is red. I don't know how easy it is to tell on the camera. And then it has an alarm and a snoozer. Let's see when the alarm is set for, which is also midnight. So I'm going to go ahead and set that for just a minute away, and I'll be right back. Okay, and thankfully if you actually press the buttons, it works better, it works faster. And it looks like not all the segments here are the same brightness. There's the alarm on indicator. And unfortunately, the thrift store went ahead and wrote the price directly onto the screen. But that shouldn't be too hard to wipe off. Oh, it actually does have a dimmer switch. Okay. Oh, there we go. That makes it better. That dimmer does a great job. There's the alarm clock. Which sounds different when it's on the dimmer switch. That's bizarre. I have to say, though, the alarm is comically quiet on this thing. I would sleep through this for, I don't know, at least if I didn't recognize the sound, I would probably sleep through this for the next couple of hours. Okay. And then here's a look at the informations. I'm guessing there's a factory code of some kind, but I don't know how to decrypt it. Here's the battery compartment, which has a very old Energizer battery. And it actually does not appear to have corroded. But boy, is it stuck on there. Wow. So yeah, it's in perfect condition as well. I don't think these old Energizers had a date code. That could be one there on the top. Oh no, here it is. Used by 2008. So if this was using the pretty standard 10-year shelf life that big brand alkaline batteries have. That would mean that this battery was put in around 1998, or maybe 99. And it does say battery reserve, but there's no actual indicator for it. So, that is about it for this nice, old, and simple alarm clock. Thanks for watching.